this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty. Thank you so much for watching. Today we have the wonderful pleasure to tour one of my new exclusive listings. It's called Via Amar. We're here in the beautiful Peninsula Papagayo on a breezy day. Come check out this beautiful property tour with me today. Via Amar is a very unique property. It's 2 acres of beachfront with incredible ocean views, and it's a modular style home. There's 4 modules here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 of them are set for bedrooms. 1 of them is a social area, and the last one is unique that it has a gym, an extra kitchen, and space for extra guests. The top pod has a commercial kitchen with gas stove, extra fridge, extra freezer. It also sleeps 6 with bunk beds if you have maids or drivers, or you just want extra space for the kids. Also in this top module, you have 3 oversized large walk-in storage rooms. You have a huge laundry room. You also have a storage room with electricity, and you have a water pump room as well. In the top module, you also have this state-of-the-art fitness center. Here, you're in the jungle with the monkeys. You have the incredible view of the ocean, and you can get your groove on and get your exercise on before enjoying the day. There are winding paths between the modules, all with these beautiful rock walls, beautiful landscaping. This one was designed so a golf cart can take you down. There are 2 sleeping modules. Each sleep 10 people. There's 3 bedrooms. The first one is this beautiful master suite. It's got a king bed, a lovely sofas, TV. You've got your bathroom ensuite with a bathtub and a shower. The bathtub overlooks the jungle. Each bedroom has incredible views of the ocean. What more could you ask for having 20 of your friends and family come and stay with you? Your guests are absolutely going to love it here. You've got hotel quality beds and linens, a full wall of closets, and beautiful patio doors that open up to this incredible view of the ocean. To the right of the community area, you have another bedroom module. Here in this section, you have 3 bedrooms. You have the king master suite with the bathtub and shower. You have the 2 rooms with the 2 queens. This area has its own private balcony. This would be perfect if you have 2 families staying here. Areas is one of the biggest areas I've ever seen. You've got a huge living room for watching TV that you can enclose just for air-conditioned space. You've got this wonderful dining room that carries to the outside, and you've got a beautiful chef's kitchen. This is 24 meters long or 78 feet long. It's incredible. And the comfort of the home is what makes me feel in love with this property. Here, you're dining, you're overlooking the beautiful base of the Papagayo, steps away from the pool to cool off, opening it up to allow beautiful breezes to come in. This is pure vida at its finest. steps outside your living room, you have this beautiful covered outdoor space. You've got a jacuzzi that actually heats up. You got a large pool for swimming laps. You actually can hear the ocean and the howls of the monkeys. Right behind me, they're building the brand new Ritz-Carlton Hotel and residences. And here you also have tennis courts, electric bikes, and one of the best golf courses in all of Costa Rica to enjoy. Amar has incredible ocean views from every room you look at, including views of the beautiful marina. If you would like this property to be your vacation home, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day. Pura vida.